What's up guys, we're back. How you going? Yeah, good, thanks. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how you can get beautiful looking natural brows just by using one powder product, and it's in the Motives Cosmetics brow kit, this one right here. So if you want to find out how to get very natural looking brows, then honey, stay tuned. Okay, so I'm going to be using the Motives Cosmetics brow kit, okay, and it comes in three beautiful colors. This is a gel, this is a light powder, and this is a natural brown color, and it's a gorgeous sort of taupe soft brown. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm also using the Motives brow brush. I'm just going to dip it in here just softly, and I'm going to line the bottom of my brow, and then I'm going to line the top all the way to the tail. All right, when you've drawn both lines, so from here and then the top, you're going to go ahead and you're going to fill in, but you're just going to leave the heads of the brow so that they don't become overpowering, and we keep them nice and natural. Hey baby, my baby's in the corner. So let's go ahead and fill in. All right, now we're going to go in with Motives Cosmetic Eye Base, and this is going to serve two purposes. First, it's going to create a base on top of the eyelid so that when we put our eyeshadow on, it's got a beautiful base and the shadow will stick to it. But it's also going to carve out a beautiful line underneath our brows. All right, this is a great eye base. It's very universal and it just blends nicely into the skin. So we're going to go under here and just carve out underneath the brow using the base. Okay, once you've done that step, you're going to go in with some foundation. I'm using this one here, which is Liquid Powder Mineral Foundation, okay? So this one doesn't need to be set in powder, and I want to use a foundation because I don't want it to be too light. I just want it to be the same color as my skin so that it just blends into my forehead. So I'm just going to go in. I've already put a little bit here, just like that. And we're going to go in and carve out the top line to make it really nice and snatched. Let's do it. That brings us to the end of this mini brow tutorial. I hope you enjoyed watching. Khalifa, say bye-bye, baby. Hey, 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 hey. Oh, he's been such a good sport today. Mwah, I love you. So please give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. And if you need any help, then sound off on the questions below. I will see if I can help you. Until next time, au revoir. Mwah. Khalifa, say bye-bye. Bye-bye, baby, bye-bye.